Yeah, you'll need more than that because for those to put in infused slot, to make a plus 2 it takes 2 plus 1, to make a plus 3 it takes 2 plus 2, to make a plus 4 it takes 2 plus 3s, so you can see you'll need a lot of those.
I get it. Flame Legion.
Oh, okay, I
Come
gotcha.
over here, Chris.
Alright, alright, I'm on my way. What's the plan
For
here?
this one, stay on the rocks here and use pistols. Pistols, you won't get hit by mobs. They're gonna stay right over here.
We need to get going.
If you stay on that rock,
Spirits
you
know
should be
what
good.
they're doing to their prisoners.
Alright, I'm staying on this rock here.
Way out of here.
I hear you. Okay, there's that drill.
Careful if some going your way. Like I said, when they're gonna die, they're gonna explode.
I don't know anything about machines like that.
I do. Used to be on a mining crew. Follow me.
Thinking that my bow might actually be kind of better for this. I don't know.
For what?
For this kind of a fight. With the bow's good when there's a lot of people, but the pistol's better for single target.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of group mobs around here, but it's not a big deal.
For the boss fight, if you have a pull or knockback, we need to move something away. So either by pulling it or pushing it, that's going to be very useful.
Spit hot rocks. Here we go.
Here we have some small rooms with 3 or 4 creatures, and they're all going to explode again. And we're kind of packed up, so usually I go in first and try to drag them to the back of the room. If they stay on the entrance, just go at the back of the room so you don't get blown up when they die.
Alright, gotcha.
If you pick up a boulder, you need to put it on the air vent to stop the airflow.
Time to bust some heads.
Else Jaws will do it. Because it's Jaws rock.
Yeah, getting behind the big horn can help you blocking sometimes. So saves you the damage if you're behind it while it's blocking.
Oh, ouch.
And you might want to mine those. That's the only place you'll get azurite crystals. Circles in the corridor will knock you down.
I need a better pick. I'm getting ruined ores. I don't have a good enough pick.
I think you'll get the azurite crystal out of it. It's only mithril ore, so it's not a big loss there.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm getting the azurite, but I'm not. Yeah, the ores I'm not getting.
Just getting mixed up all of it. still haven't found the right person to make exquisite jewel out of it.
I got 3 Azurite out of that one.
That's good.
Well, what do we got here?
We got Bram that stays there, so you gotta click on the ore itself because Bram wants some attention. So here you might, as we get out of the tunnel, go left and try to stay in the water. I'll try to keep them out of there, of everybody else. We're gonna have a lot of them.
Okay, we finally made it at the end of the tunnel. Oh!
You wish.
I just realized these things are level 81.
So you cannot pass through the wind there? Yeah. Test that the hard way.
Wait for that to disperse there. Oh, and I run into it again. Oh no, we got one down.
Yeah, he charged right in.
Cliffside?
The wolf is growling.
No,
No, molten drill. No, that's
I don't
not
have-
categorized. That's the
yeah.
RPs.
I do.
Yeah, sorry
We're
about that.
testing weapons here.
Once you get a mastery for fractals, you'll be able to get those mislock singularities, which basically give you a lifeline. You got, when you die, you get back to 25% health. So now we have to kill the core, and he's gonna protect it. So he's gonna shoot at us with everything he's got. There's gonna be a molten protector that's gonna appear here after the second wave and third wave. We have to push him away from there, but we go in the corner because we want to get protected by Jaws, and that's where there's less stuff that's gonna happen. But you'll probably die, depending if the fire's tornadoes or a ball of fire. And there's those big metal things there. They thump down. You gotta jump over the shockwaves. Those gonna be all do AR. So if you get hit, you'll die. Don't worry about it. We'll get you up.
Okay.
So just an
Sounds
FYI,
like-
you will die.
I'm gonna practice before I show you.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Without waste, the vermin. That's it.
I always love to
I
die.
need to
You know, that's
practice
just.
my. I need to practice how fast I quick rebound.
Overheating! Out of my way! Out of my way! Oh, that's supposed to happen. That's right.
Oh man, just hug the wall, I guess, and wait for this to end, right?
Yep.
Or you want you can try to run around if you want.
Yeah, I'll pass.
Smart move.
Time out!
Back to the corner.
What's that tablet for? Who summoned that?
That's the Rev.
The revenant.
That Jaws. That's been Parry.
Hide. Oh no! Wow!
Yeah, I didn't even have that time.
I guess that was the part where you said I was gonna die.
Yeah, usually it's the other one though. You die on the other one, not on this one. Usually this one, the tablet's pretty efficient, but it seems like it spawned kind of in the tablet.
Yeah, this one we have to push him away.
Because now he just put a protection on the thing. We have to push him away again. I don't know if that's enough. Okay, we're good. So for this one, we'll kind of stay in the middle because it's going to be easier to avoid the shock waves. But you might not want to stay in the middle because sometimes they just drop two at a time, and jumping two waves at the same time can be very hard. But anyway, we'll see how good you are as a jumper. You need to jump before.
Okay, so you can't dodge roll through this, you can only jump?
ahead.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
hurry
like I
up!
said, you need to jump before.
Ahead of it.
Oh, now they're
Brakes,
gonna
man.
be... Oh boy, oh boy.
There's a mastery for that. If you manage to jump them all.
I know that I jumped over it, but I clearly didn't register. Holy
That's
smokes!
I kind of find like keeping the motion.
What's going on? Oh, you're kidding! This is that's kind of stupid. I mean, I'm jumping over it, but it's just not like I think I'm jumping into it, and it doesn't. I don't know.
That should be good. And then we have to stay here, and there's gonna be all the attacks that you saw.
All at the same time.
So the tornado, the fire from the sky, and the thumps as for the last wave. And we have to do that while the
Yeah, keep stacking. You'll probably die. While
Yeah,
you're
because
still
Joss is
die,
not
but
there to put the tablet.
sometimes it can.
Oh, great. Oh, this is
NPC kind of put
terrible.
up his shield, so that's good.
Wow, that was nuts.
Okay, now we can kill the boss. That's fun.
Oh, I got a mastery point for doing that.
Just give me
Didn't get hit by the fire?
moment.
No, I did not.
Nice. How you do it?
Oh, yeah, I can't believe I got that mastery point. That's nuts. Whoa.
Yeah, the boss is nothing special except that there's gonna be some thumps that you need to skip over.
We're like fighting them in the gate. Okay, that was ridiculous.
That's okay. He's almost dead. Yeah, like I said, don't worry about it. We died so much more than that. They brought us on those fractals when we had like barely no ARs.
But we were 3 people, no AR, and just Angel and Jaws pulling us through, so.
All right. Well, that was good.
Yeah,